Well, this has been a crap year for gardening. Everything's dead except for that cotton, whatever it's called. My hibiscus came back. This is all overgrown. Don't judge me. I've been having slip disc and I haven't been able to do it. But these two lantanas survived. There was a third one that was over there, but it didn't make it past winter. Too much snow, I guess. The peppers are covered because they're wilting in the sun. The onions are doing great. And I've planted beans, green beans and sweet peas. It's a cover crop. Hopefully it comes up. No rain. Even the irises are dying. Everything I planted on the fence started to come and then it just gave up. And I've got some lettuce planted. Hope that comes up. And that's a crepe myrtle I grew from a root out of the yard. I'm very proud of that. And Donna's going to harvest the taters.
Yay me!
They were planted late in the season. Rosa didn't get but 2 out of all of hers. So we'll see if we got anything. There's that one little one on the top. Is it squishy?
At the top, right here. It's a little bit.
Put it in the bucket. What in the world is that? Oh, it's a trailer on a truck. So you're going to do this the hard way. I see something.
More little potatoes.
Well, little taters are better than no taters. They did come out late. I planted them late. This is just store-bought potatoes that started to eye. That's probably the...
It'll be one.
Oh my goodness. Let me see it. Oh my goodness. That is tiny.
Smaller than my thumbnail.
Don't know if that's going to be worth eating. That's taters. Growing like tubers for some reason. That's interesting.
What do you think they are? They're tubers.
I guess. There's one there. Right, yeah.
That's a bigger one.
There's a bigger one.
Maybe they'll get bigger as they go.
The deeper they go. I got you those tools.
That one's already sprouted.
That's just a root, Donna. Potatoes are roots. They don't have roots. Although I could probably put him back in the ground and grow him some more taters.
Yeah.
Just tiny things.
Yeah. Like they needed to grow longer or something.
Well, they were a late season thing.
And they did die faster.
Oh, it's been no rain. No, a snail. A nasty, nasty snail. I have to put him back in the yard. I don't think you're going to find anything else in that spot.
Well, there was a plant here. There's the root.
The beginning of one of them, anyway. There were 2. Should have done this a long time ago. Ugh.
I'm not finding anything deep.
Okay. So that was all we got. So this was our harvest of the taters. Well, we beat Rosa. I don't know. Her potatoes look like more like potatoes, and these look like something I want to put in the compost bin. Okay, that's it.